Running a beauty or wellness business is already hectic, but juggling appointments and managing clients shouldn't add to the stress. So let's dive into the ultimate showdown: Styleseat vs Booksy. First up, let's talk features. Styleseat shines with its robust marketing tools, allowing you to send targeted emails and promotions. Plus, it has a built-in client marketplace, which can bring in new customers. Its appointment scheduling is pretty straightforward, with color-coded appointments and easy drag-and-drop functionality. Now, Booksy boasts a more comprehensive suite of business management tools. Think inventory tracking, detailed sales reports, and even team management features for larger salons or spas. It's also known for its user-friendly interface, even if you are not tech-savvy. Let's break down the price. Styleseat typically takes a commission per appointment, but also offers subscription plans with varying features. Be sure to check their website for the most up-to-date costs and commission structures. Booksy usually uses a subscription-based model. The price you pay depends on the number of staff members you have and the features you need. Like Styleseat, be sure to check their website for the most up-to-date information. Customer support can be a make or break for any platform. User reviews indicate that both Styleseat and Booksy have mixed reviews, so consider browsing online forums and communities to gauge recent experiences and compare. Finally, ease of use. Both platforms strive for intuitive design, but Styleseat focuses on simplicity, making it great for solo professionals. Booksy's richer feature set might require a bit of a learning curve, but offers greater depth for larger teams. Ultimately, the best choice depends on your unique needs and business size. So do your research. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.